Please open AnyUnlock and select Unlock Screen Time Passcode function. Before unlocking Screen Time Passcode, AnyUnlock will back up the device first. Please enter your screen passcode twice. It will take some time to back up your data. Please keep patient. AnyUnlock will start to remove the screen time passcode automatically. Please follow the instruction on the device to set up the phone. And it will take some time to restore the device from backup. Please enter the screen passcode again. Now, the screen time passcode is removed successfully.